Your resume prep can be much easier than you are making it. Let me help you out. So, number one, don't start by writing the summary. Come back to that later. It'll be easier for you. Start with the bullet points under your jobs. Okay? The bullet points under your jobs are going to be the things that they're asking for on the job posting. That's your cheat sheet. So they're going to tell you, we want someone who has led teams. We want someone who has delivered professional development trainings. We want someone who has used such and such software. Make sure those things are on your resume. Yeah. And don't just list it. I want you to list it and showcase the impact. So you're going to include numbers and results in every bullet point that you are listing under each and every one of your jobs. So that's the first part. Okay. Second part, prioritize the first half, the top half of the first page of your resume, right? They're not spending a lot of time sorting through page after page after page and reading every single line. So you want to get the most important information about you out there, front and center, right on top. And intuitively, you know this. Right? Imagine that you're trying to convince a friend or family member of something. You're going to put the argument that is most impactful for them up at the front, right? And that's what you're going to lead with. You're not going to save that all the way until the end because by then you've lost them, right? They've already said no. So you know how to do this in life. Just do the same thing for your resume. Next thing, now you can go back to the top of your resume. You're going to have your name. You're going to have your city, state, and zip because if they're sorting to see where you live, that's where they're going to get that from. You're going to have your phone number, your email address, and your LinkedIn profile URL. Now that you've written the bullet points, it's a good time to write the summary because you have a better understanding of what this job is all about. So write a summary, make it impactful, put some numbers in there as well. This is almost like your elevator pitch, your lead for why you're awesome for that job. And then put in the hard skills that are important to this position. So we're thinking the softwares and the programs that they're asking for. Next, your education. So if you are a recent graduate, your education goes on top because it's what you're leading with. But for most people, your education is going to be on the bottom. You're going to put your university, the degree that you received, and you're only going to put the dates in if your graduation was in the past few years. If not, you're going to keep the degree and the university, but you just won't put on the dates. And the last thing to have a really, really awesome resume is keep it simple, right? No colors, no graphs, no crazy fonts, no pictures. A very simple, clean, neat, grammatically correct, and no spelling errors. Microsoft Word converted to a PDF document is the way to go. Okay, that's what you're going to do for a resume so that you have a resume that gets results. I'm going to queue up a video right here about if you're applying to jobs and not getting offers because that's going to give you more information about your resume. If you'd like some help with that, let's schedule a free 45-minute discovery call. My name is Cindy. I empower career changers, transitioning teachers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a super productive week. Always remember your warrior. I'll catch you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.